So today you might notice that I do have on some makeup. This is going to be an eye makeup tutorial. I'm thinking I'm going to start doing a lot more of these, especially right now because I just got my nose pierced. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I cannot put foundation or any makeup over it for 5 months till it heals. So right now my makeup routine is a little bit different. So if you want to see my normal makeup routine, go back to one of my full face videos and check that out. But for now we're just going to do this, so let's go ahead and get started. I do not have a plan for this, I'm just kind of going to wing it. So bear with me as I choose colors and stuff. So because I want to do like a mermaidy thing, I'm probably actually going to start, and I'm using the Roxy Color Pop or Color Burst palette. I think for a mermaid look, I'm going to actually start with, I should probably start with the outer color. So I'm going to start with Twilight and use that on the crease and outer area. So I'm just going to kind of blend this out. You can use, basically just keep going in and adding until you get your desired color. And this is kind of like a bluey purple. So I'm just going to do that on both sides. It doesn't have to be like perfectly blended right now because we're probably going to go in and blend some more. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my Moda M19, and I think I'm going to go with a little bit of Memories next in like the outer corner area. Kind of run that into the blue purple a little bit. I'm doing that on both sides. After I do that one, I think I'm going to go with Blue Lagoon and put that toward the middle area of my, like toward the middle and outer area of my eye. One thing I love about this palette is how vibrant the colors are. Now I'm going to add a little bit more Memories. I'm just going to kind of keep going back and forth until I get my desired like color level. No more Blue Lagoon. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Elizabeth Mott blending brush again, and I'm going to get some more Twilight and blend out again. Now this look would probably go really good with eyeliner. I don't wear a lot of eyeliner most of the time, so I did not bring any in here with me. But if you guys want to add some eyeliner to this, that would look amazing. I'm also going to kind of blend in the middle with my finger a little bit, just so that everything kind of goes together. Next up, I'm going to actually take a little bit of lavender on my ring finger, and I'm going to just put that right in the middle of my eye, right over that blue and right over Blue Lagoon Memories, just in the middle, as kind of a transitional color there. Next up, I'm going to take a smudger brush, and then I'm going to take Twilight and start a little bit of that on the outer corner of my eye. Just the outer, almost to the iris. After that, I'm going to take some of Memories and put that in the middle. Just a little bit, not a lot. And then I'm going to take Blue Lagoon and run that into the corner of my eye. Once I've done that, I'm going to take a Luxie 207 brush and take some of Timmy. And I'm just going to use that to go under my brow bone, just to kind of highlight that area. And really make the eye makeup stand out. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my ring finger again and I'm going to take Constellations. And I'm just going to go in the inner corner of my eye with that. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. If you want to use eyeliner, this would be the time to do it before you do your mascara. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my upper and lower lashes. I actually am really a fan of this mascara lately because it makes my lashes like super fluttery looking, which is nice. So once I've done that, I actually remembered to bring a lip color with me this time. I'm going to be using one of the Zoella lip colors, and this one is Little One. Since the eye makeup is so in your face, I just wanted like a more like calm lip, so that's why I'm using this one. I'm not using the lip liner with it. I'm actually out of the lip liner. I ran out of that really fast. I don't know why. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As I said before, you could definitely do eyeliner with this. I think it would look amazing. Some false lashes would probably look amazing with this. I don't really want to do eyeliner today. I don't have any false lashes. I didn't do them, but that would also really add to this look, I think. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you would wear this. And please give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to my channel. And have a really nice day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!